Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to unpin a chat from shortcuts on WhatsApp web using your PC. This is especially useful if you've pinned a conversation, but no longer need it at the top of your chat list. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page in your browser and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once logged in, you'll see your list of chats displayed on the screen. Next, locate the pinned chat that you want to unpin. Pinned chats are always positioned at the top of your chat list for easy access. Click on the pinned chat to open it. Now here's the key step. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. This combination will instantly unpin the selected chat and move it back to its regular position in your chat list, sorted by the time of the last message received. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned a chat from shortcuts on WhatsApp web. This quick and simple process helps you declutter your pinned section and prioritize other conversations that matter more to you. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their WhatsApp chats. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.